Alright, travel buddies, good morning. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Boulevard of Joy Luna kung saan dito yung port saan sasakay ng bangka for and happy as you can see at my back. So, as of today guys, yung weather forecast natin, cloudy po siya ngayon and windy din siya, tsaka maalon as you can see at my back. Ayan po, diba? Maalon siya. Ongoing pa rin yung may island hopping tayo today, meron tayong tri-island hopping. Pero for IG worthy shots, it's not really worth it kasi ang pangit ng weather ngayon. So if nandito kayo sa Siargao, still find ways to enjoy your Siargao vacation. And for more Siargao updates, don't forget to follow for me on my social media accounts, Siargao Buddy, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And don't forget to book your tours on me. And you can also hire me as your personal tour guide and drone pilot here in Siargao. And see you soon in Siargao guys. At sa mga andito sa Siargao, enjoy your tours despite of the weather disturbances. Make find ways to enjoy nyo yung tour nyo kasi mahal ang plane ticket dito. God bless everyone and keep safe.